What's up, y'all? It's us again, and we're gonna show you how to harvest bows.
Yung video, okay. Yes. Wala pa yata bunga. Wow, Jedo. Wow.
You can just see the inside of the potatoes.
Wow.
There's a lot of potatoes in, and they're so small and some big. And this is all about our
Wow.
garden farm, and
What's the name of your farm?
a potato farm 2 episode 2 potato view.
Hindi pa yata talaga. Diba? Najed, malilit pa lang.
Hi guys, you can just see at the end of our garden there's a shed there, and there's also some plants here, and here's our plum tree and pear tree and peach tree and cherry tree, and here is our whole garden. And don't forget to subscribe for more harvesting tips.